Yeah, I was watching Null School, still wondering about Svalbard and Coral Bleaching alert area. Let's put the particles off. Now check it out. It is red and yellow. And we are really far north. Alert level 1, 2, and here more like inland. No, it's not inland, it's in the alert level 2. Now let's hop over quickly to Google Earth. Now let's go all the way up here in the north. Here is our Muffin Island, what I showed you recently. And for example, I just want to show you quickly. That's obviously a glacier. And now we have more than one. And this is how it looks at the end of the glacier. And we have these kind of features beside that. So now I ask again the same question. Where is the pile? How did that happen? Did the glacier do this? If the glacier is supposed to carve mountains out, things like this shouldn't be found anywhere. But bleaching area. Here is one in this bay. Most of it is blurred out. Lakes and lakes and islands. Remember when I showed you those straight lines in this one weather system we had? Straight lines also here to be found. But it's interesting, this region. If you watch it from this height, it's somewhat visible. As you go closer, You won't see anything anymore. Everything is covered in fog, or whatever that is. And I wonder still if this Muffin Island is an ancient coral reef kind of thing. Yeah, I actually found something else too. This. Oh, this structure. .6 kilometer wide. And there was another one somewhere. Was it this one? I'm not sure. Anyway. Yeah, I guess it was this one. That somehow suspiciously square. .20 kilometers. I don't know. It's just interesting that it's blurred out all of them. But that's an interesting structure here. It's elevated. And who knows? Has there anything been there before? But this doesn't still explain why we still, or again, have this coral bleaching happening up here in the north in wintertime. Which is really interesting. Or is it just an old school, some kind of fault in the system? I don't know. Yeah, I will be here. Found myself watching things. But it's still a mystery to me. It would be really interesting to find out what's going on there. Coral bleaching in the Arctic. What? Is there something we should be aware of? That's also interesting. What's that? I'm talking about this thing here which goes down. At least it looks like it would go down. It seems not to be connected to this side. Maybe this here. I don't know how to say. And here it looks like it would melt. But it maybe doesn't. I don't know. It just looks like. Yeah, it would be definitely interesting to go around there once. Check it out. These might be trees. And in a way, I also wonder where are the trees are coming from. There has to be some source of trees somewhere there. Or do they travel around the whole world, end up in the North Pole? Why not? Yeah, we have a lake beside the sea. Two lakes. Yeah, it's interesting. Are these calderas? It's just unbelievable, literally, to me, to believe that glaciers would have formed these mountains. And even if so, there has to be mountains too first. Where did the mountains come from? Like all of them. Are these stony pingos same thing that I reported? Not reported, I just talked about them today. Yesterday? Today? Pingo. Or are these Inuit graves? I don't know. Yeah, but I leave it here. Thanks. It was a really long video and I didn't know really what to talk about, but thanks for watching. Bye.